Hi everyone, in this video we will be discussing how to compress PDF or JPG files, why we need to compress PDF files or say JPG files. So it makes easy to upload it to the online portals. So I'll be sharing links for certain tools to compress your PDF file. So if you want to compress a PDF file, you can click on this. It will ask you to upload the files which you wanted to compress. So here I have this file which is 10.5 MB. I'm uploading that file. Before compressing it, maybe you can explore this option, more options, where you'll be able to choose what kind of quality output you want. And if you select grayscale, if you have scanned from a color pages, by selecting grayscale, it will be converted to black and white as well. So as of now, I'm leaving it as it is, which I'm selecting medium quality, then compress. So I'm downloading the file. I'll name it as a compressed. So here you can see this file is now reduced to 2.12 MB. From 10.5 MB, it is converted to 2 MB file. Similarly, we will compress an image file as well. Resize image. Yeah, so I have an image file which is around 3 MB currently. I'm uploading that file. Now I can reduce it to a different resolution I want. Make sure you select this maintain ratio so that it won't be pixelated in different sizes. So I'm selecting 1080. By default, if the height automatically gets adjusted to 720 because we selected this maintain ratio option, and click on resize. Save to device. If I go into downloads, so this is a downloaded file right now, which is converted to 134 KB. And even if you open the file and see, you'll be able to see, without much compromise, you'll be able to get the file. So using this tool, you can combine multiple files. So here I'll be taking you few examples. So here I have page 1, page 2, page 3. 3 PDF files I have. We'll be making it as a single file. Upload the file. Select those multiple files which you wanted to merge. Since I given page 1, page 2, page 3, here I am able to get it in the same series. If you wanted to change it, you can simply drag and drop. So page 1, page 3, and then page 2 it came. So however you want, you can actually adjust it and then simply click on merge. Once it is done, you'll be able to download the complete file. See, here you can see it became one single file where it consists of 3 PDF pages. So you can simply click on download. Yeah. So this file consists of 1, 2, 3 pages. So also you can edit the PDF files from here. Please do explore these options. If you have any questions, please post it in the comment section. That's it for today. Please share your feedback in the comment section.